Hello, guys. If you're watching me, welcome. On this page, I have an interesting topic for today. Hold viewers' attention on YouTube. You know, the key to holding viewers' attention is to have engaging contents. Your content must be interesting, it must be informative, it must have a will to educate people as much as possible. Your audience are there on YouTube in order for them to pick one or two informations that will resonate with their interest, that will go in line with their views. And so if you have an interesting and engaging topic, audience are going to get hooked to your YouTube and they will like it and they'll come back for more. And particularly, I know so many people, this is what they are interested in. And so to get started as a YouTuber, you can consider this. As an audience also on YouTube, you can also use this as an information for you to have at the back of your mind that this particular topic I'm about to discuss can easily resonate with you too, because you can be online trying to search for things, and because of the way too many contents are being churned out every day, you might get confused. So you can easily know which one is which by knowing what I'm about discussing. So in what I'm about to discuss, I have personal stories. You know, different people have their own personal stories and how to share online. So they have their own stories and they want to share it with audiences. So this particular story can easily relate with you, the audience, because the creator now can create things concerning his struggle, what he has passed through. He can also talk about achievements too, which is very, very important. So as somebody who's aspiring or willing to look for particular topics, this thing can also be considered. This personal experience at which I've spoken about can also be necessary too. So another thing again is how-to tutorials. So this one actually teaches reviewers new skills and also solves problems. So you see, it helps people to also solve problems, their immediate needs and the rest. So this particular YouTube can easily teach one about that. We also have inspiration and motivation. You know, they share uplifting contents, quotes and advice. So you see, they share uplifting content, quotes and advice. So this particular niche can also be very interesting to also look out for. Another one is gaming contents. So if you check online, there are some people who actually make reviews on games. You see, those are another interesting topics to also consider too. They also make contents on games, different games. You know, we have different games, Spider-Man, Batman and the rest and what have you. So that can also be considered too. Health and wellness. So you see people churning out videos concerning health and also wellness too. So it's another topic to also be considered, because you can think of recreational activities, exercises as health and wellness. We can also have contents such as food, nutrition, diet, how to follow a well-balanced meal. These are also topics to also be considered too. Another one is technology and innovation, new gadgets. So you can find contents on new gadgets, even softwares and emerging technologies. So you see, there are different things to also be considered too, which can also resonate with different audience, and also a creator can also look through this and have a perception on what kind of content his particular audience. So another one I have again is travel and adventure. There are different travels and adventure videos online. So imagine a new YouTuber who has money, or probably has friends who are willing to donate to the cause of the video he's about to make. It's an interesting thing to do, because many people are interested in videos, especially staying at the comfort of their homes. So staying at the comfort of their homes, getting in touch with different spaces, different places, it actually helps out. Another thing to also consider is food and cooking. So you see, food and cooking, so many people have ideas and interest on cooking, which can help easily. So you find content on that, which could be very helpful. Some people could actually start by saying our content is centered on how to prepare this recipe, how to prepare this meal, how to. So you find contents like that, and you find people actually in the action too in their videos, which could be very very helpful. Another thing too to also consider is personal development and self improvements. So you see, personal development such as productivity, mindfulness, and goal setting. These are very, very interesting things to look at too. There is another one, interviews, question and answer interviews. There are so many videos online where you find question and answer, where there is an interview the questions. So other ones too is challenges and experiments, DIY craftings, DIY crafting such as show interviewers how to create something from scratch. I have some particular videos on that one can easily go and check out for, because it can actually resonate with you watching me right now. So when you consider this, it could help, because imagine centered on that, probably let's pick a technology that many people are not really aware of, and then you talk about how it's possible, people will actually buy and key into that too. Another thing again is business and entrepreneurship. So you can actually share insights on this particular topic, the information at which you have. You can actually share and then give your honest opinion about it. These are contents too to also consider. Then you can also give tips. You can also give success stories too. You can talk about different journeys and the rest. It's also things to also consider. So the topic I'm about to discuss about is education and learning. So you can share your knowledge on various subjects from science to history. These are things to also consider. So if you've watched me, please you can like, subscribe this video, and to also grow. You can give your honest opinion about this particular video. I believe everybody is learning. If you are trying to consider topics, you can actually watch this video as a new YouTuber or as an audience. Thank you very much if you've watched me this far.